So this is Toyota's idea, that local people should run the plant. But when they first built Georgetown, it was very difficult. So the Japanese did all the heavy lifting. And as time went by, we passed the work to the Americans. This is the problem we had with former President Kitano-san. He spoke English very well, and he would make a speech to the team. But unfortunately, he was not a very good communicator, so it was difficult to get the message across even if he spoke English well. He'll make the speech to American people, but unfortunately, the Americans really didn't understand what he was trying to say and what his point was. They can hear his words, but they can't understand what he's saying.
So Kitano-san was very fluent in English.
Okay.
But people never got what his point was when he gave a speech.
Okay.
He was just mumbling.
So
Didn't
he didn't
make
do
a-
Ono's principles, explain things in easy to understand ways and repeat them.
It was very difficult for people to understand Kitano's point. When I became president, I said to everyone, make your words easier, make your process better. This was simple to understand. At that time, Kentucky had a problem. We hired consultants and they said that everybody's thinking about different things. No one is aligned.
You hired the consultants before you were president of Georgetown?
No, it was after I became president.
After you became president, and no one was aligned.
That was one of the first things I did. One of the American managers, she suggested that we hire an outside consultant to make sure we understood what was really going on in the company. And we did that. So this is what the consultant said. Everybody's looking in a different direction, and to make the problem worse, 90% of the management had changed in the past 10 years.
Same thing.
The purpose, the vision, the values were not maintained.
So the clarity of the purpose, the vision, and the values was not maintained.
So when we found this out, we continued to discuss to establish what the vision was for Georgetown, so that we can make it very clear to the entire team.